I guess it's Modern Monday. I'm a little late to the game. Closest knives I have to a modern knife Monday would be my Buck 040 Onset and a Civivi full-size Praxis. Similar in size, a little bit different functions. Not much though. Onset is a real hefty beast. Got a slab of stainless steel on the frame lock side. You have to be mightily careful about that blade swinging onto the thumb. I don't know if I got myself or not. But the Praxis, full size, 3.5, 3 3/4 inch blade. About the same size on the Buck 040 Onset. Sweet knives. I'm liking them. They're fit well, hold well in the hand. Yeah. Get old kind of gritty in there with the metal designation. Civivi Praxis. It's a cool knife. The Buck 040 Onset. Boss S45VN. Cool. Modern Monday. God bless all you knife nuts. Take care. Remember that Jesus Christ loves you.